I'll start the recording now.
Yeah. So actually, first we will prepare the interview for like ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a tool, okay, which is using for like ticketing, like organization, like tracking their like tickets, their data, like IT services, and also we have several modules in ServiceNow. Okay, we have ITSM and ITBM and ITOM and GRC, like SecOps and FSM. These are the modules, okay, are modules there in ServiceNow. Okay, like here, like ITSM means we can like manage the IT services using this IT service management module in this ServiceNow. Okay, this is cloud computing tool ServiceNow. Okay, which is nothing we call as like a ticketing tool. Okay, let's see the like content of a service now. I will share my screen, show you. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see my screen. Okay.
Yes, the screen is visible.
Yeah. So actually, service now is okay. Like this is the basic details of ServiceNow. Who's the founder of ServiceNow? Okay, here on way like in which year it will like it was founded. Okay, 2004 it was founded. After that, like we have similar tools called BMC Remedy and any Wormboard, like any other ticketing tools. No, so this tool will override to all the tools. Okay, nowadays all the companies will be using this service now for ticketing purpose. Okay, and also we don't want to download anything, any software for this service now. Okay, just we have URL, so nothing but cloud. Okay, this is SaaS and PaaS also, software as a service. Okay, and PaaS. Okay, platform as a service. Like that we can use this service now. Okay, so for this, like we have the content, nothing but syllabus. Okay, we have this like service now overview. Okay, overview is nothing but like it is like a cloud platform. Okay, which is using to tracking the like ticketing purpose. Okay, then here we have the this content of in service now we have users groups roles and update sets. Okay, and also applications and modules. We have a lot of applications and modules, so we have like out of the box out like applications. If customer asking us to create customer, first we need to know about the application and how to create the application. After that, how to create a module, like that. Then view and view rules means we have different views in this, like in one form. Okay, there like some we have here user profiles also. We have end user profile and agent and admin. Means admin can do anything in like that the user has full access. Admin. Next, coming to ITL. ITL means like that user has only like ticket resolving access. That's it. He will able to resolve the ticket and close the ticket, like that. And that similar that we have like modules are there in this ITSM. We have incident management and problem management, change management. Okay, for that also we have like user profile for that module. Okay, for incident, suppose incident, we have like incident, we have three roles: incident manager, Okay, then incident like write role, read role, like that. So we have to restrict to that incident to users. Like if that particular user want to see only, read only access to that particular incident module, then we will give that user to only read only access. That's it. Okay, if in that incident manager is there, like that time what we can do, just we will give the whole tickets. Okay, he will monitor the incident management. That's why we can give uh, him to incident manager role. Then he will able to access like all the tickets, incident tickets. Like same also we have problem. In problem we have problem coordinator, problem manager, okay, and problem analyst. And also in our change, actually change management is nothing but, so if suppose we need to change the organization structure, that time like we have to discuss on this first. For that we have CAB meeting. Okay, on that CAB meeting they will decided like how can we manage our structure, how can we changes, how can we upgrade our structure to upgrade. That time they will decided and they will like that in that CAB meeting is there now, they will discuss all the things and they will decide. There we have three types of changes, like normal change and emergency and standard change. Okay, like that they will raise that according to their if it is urgent, then they will raise a emergency change. Okay, and also if it is it is normal, like we need a bit late, that time they will raise normal change, like that. And also standard change. Standard change means we need to reboot the server. Okay, and also like that restart the servers. That time we can use that standard change management. Okay, like that. For that we have, these are the basic topics. Okay, here update sets, and also applications, modules, view rules, form layout, list layout, form design, how to design the form, UI policies. Okay, to control the form behavior. Client script, same we have client and server side. Client side, how can we control the client side data, and also how we can get the server side data to client side, and also client side data to server side we can visible. Okay, both from client to server, server to client. Okay, and also data policies nothing but say UI policies will be on client side and data policies will be on executed on server side, like that. And also suppose our customer now they that he will using any other tool, they wanted to shift to service now. Okay, that time we have to move the data from that another third party tool to ServiceNow. We have several ways to move the data. If we can take the data in document, then we can CSV file, like that. Also we can move the data into ServiceNow also. Here in this ServiceNow, we have to store the data into tables. Okay, then what we can do, like simply we can take the data from that third party tool and simply import the data into ServiceNow. That is the one way. Another way, if they want to use both the tools, okay, that time we will integrate both the tools, means we can exchange the data from one tool to another tool. For that we need integration. Okay, after integration, in that integration also we have several methods. Like if we want to create something from I wanted to create the data from one tool to another tool. That time we will integrate simply. We can submit that ticket to one tool. It will same will be created into ServiceNow also. For that we need integration. Okay, and also like completed import set nothing but that's we can import the data from manually we can import, and also we have transfer map. We can transfer that. First we can store that data. After importing the data, we can store the data into staging table. Okay, means temporary table. That temporary table we will transform that data into ServiceNow permanently. For that we can use transfer map. Okay, we can easily transfer the data to ServiceNow. Sometimes like they will give us to like we have data sources like JDBC, okay, CSV, like that we have data sources. They will give us the data like any server, LDAP server. Okay, they will give the data to us like LDAP server. Now that time we can use LDAP server integration. Okay, and we will get the data from ServiceNow. Actually, we have Active Directory. So actually, the in that user directory only users are created and groups are created. DLs, groups nothing but DLs. We can like simply like auto creation, like integrate through AD to ServiceNow that time. So we have to create a user in AD that the same user will be reflected in ServiceNow also. Okay, we have to do that also. And coming to transform I have completed now. After that, like ACLs, ACLs nothing but access control list. So we can restrict the data. What data user has to be accessed? Okay, which data he has to be accessed? Like that we will restrict using this ACL. Okay. And also like applications modules. So suppose some users want to see some applications, some user wants to see another applications. That time we can using this ACL, we can control the like accessibility of to the user. Okay, and also SLM means service level agreement. Okay, service level agreement means if we like we have to perform these incident management and problem management operations. That time what we can do, simply we have create a service level agreement between client and service provider. Okay, like we have incident, like we have triggered P1 incident. So P1 means like is there any huge interruption happening on the organization? That time they will raise P1 incident. So we have for that P1 incident, we have only 15 minutes. Within that 15 minutes, we have to resolve that incident. That's it. Otherwise, in this organization, we don't want to do anything. Like we don't like that type of disruption happening at that time. So we can resolve that incident in within 15 minutes. Okay, for P2, P3, P4, we have time like P2 8 hours and P3 for 24 hours and P4 2 days. Okay, it's the out of the box. Okay, if they want, they can modify that also. Like actually out of the box is nothing but ServiceNow has provided in their default functionality after like demo data, nothing but. Okay, after that client will be taken the subscription for full access of that ServiceNow tool. After that they will use, means it will easy of user interface. Okay, easy to understand the user interface. And also like here we have like scripting also is there, but it is a rare situation. Like already all the things, like all the functionality is there in ServiceNow. Okay, if sometimes customer asking us to complex requirement, okay, that time we can use JavaScript to extend that functionality. Okay, for that we have client side or server side. Client side is nothing but browser. Okay, server side is nothing but the data stored in the database. Na? Okay, there we have to perform the database validations. Here business rules are there now. Here business rules nothing but it will executed a piece of code on server side, piece of JavaScript code on server side. Okay, like we have like SQL is there now. So instead of that SQL query, we have to perform this business rule. Okay, for database operations. Same for scripting code. Okay, scripting code also, once we have created a scripting code, we can use anywhere that scripting code. And also mid server inbound action. Like inbound action means if I want to create a ticket through email. Okay, so if I can like I am going to send a email to instance, then itself it will create a ticket, incident ticket or service request or problem, like that also we have configured. Okay, for that we can use inbound action. And also mid server means we like if we want to integrate this service now to any other third party tool, so for that we can use this mid server. Okay, like here what is the ask for interviewer, like this, how can we use ACL, SLA, business rule? Okay, what action we can perform using this, like that they will ask. And also we have an instance called personal developer instance. There we will do the practice. Okay, there we will get to know the like real-time scenarios. Okay, only like in like this is the content now. So in this content, like the interviewer and ask like they like that interviewer ask for only a few questions onto the content only. What is the inbound action? What is mid server? What is your action? Most of the things they will ask like real time scenarios. So what should we do? Like make a field mandatory, read only, like that. Okay, those are the real time scenario wise questions. Content wise question, like this is the like they will ask only like scenario based questions only. For that we need to go our like PDI and do the practice and learn all the topics, how we can execute and how we can create and how we can extend the functionality. Okay, how we can utilize the inbuilt functionality, what is out of the box. Okay, like that. And also we have glide objects, nothing but APIs. We have predefined methods. Using that methods, okay, we can validate the forms. And also notification. We will send the notification to user while raising a incident, while resolving the incident, while put that incident into on hold. Okay, while close the incident. Same for service request and also problem. Okay, in each and every ticket will raise now, then it will trigger to concerned user and also same for assigned person. Okay, here we have users, groups. We can use users on like callers, nothing but incident caller we called as, where we can use like users, and also groups, assignment groups are there. Then that particular person will take care about that ticket. Suppose I will a ticket will raise, that is for P4. Okay, that ticket will like we have to create a assignment rule. Okay, if the P4 ticket will be raised, that ticket will be assigned to particular team. Okay, that is we call as groups here. Okay, that group after creating that request, it will auto assign to that concern team. Then that consent team will trigger the notification. Then that member of any user will take care about that incident. Like that also we have configured. Okay, and also incident management life cycle, problem management life cycle, okay, change management life cycle. We have out of the box life cycles. Then after customer took this service now tool now, then they will change their own functionality also. Like they want to create custom tables. First we want to know about the how to create tables, then only we can create custom table. Now without knowing the table creation, how can we create like custom table? Okay, like that. Like we have workflows and flow designs means we can automate the process. Like we have to submit a request, after that it will go to approval or what. Okay, first approval, second approval, manager approval, CEO approval, IB approval, like that we need to send. So we have to configure that also. After that, after approving, so if we want to access something, that time we can raise a request. Okay, for that we have to raise a request. That request we have approvals. First I want access, then I can raise a request. Okay, after raising the request, that will trigger to my manager, reporting manager approval. Then he will review that ticket and approve. After that, that access will be there on particular Windows team, server team, Linux team, any other team, blah blah. Okay, that request will assign to that particular team. Okay, then that team will take care about that service record request or incident, anything. So we have to perform all those things backend, like backend development. We have to create form, we have to create flows, how to automate that request to next approvals, creations, then pendings, like that. Okay, they will ask the scenarios about that flow designer also. We have service catalog, record producer, order gate. Okay, all those things we have. This is the content of service now. Okay, we will prepare so we will prepare one way, like what is transform map, what is ACL, what is SLA. That is the one thing. Another thing is deep dive, like in that transform map, how can we use that transform map? Without knowing, we can't do anything now. Okay, like that we need to learn this all those things, then only we will get again more and more knowledge about these are the topics, and we can practice, then only we will get real time hands-on practice. Okay, like that we have to prepare ourselves. This is the basic, like what are the concepts under the service now, like that. This is the basic. Then we are going to deep down into our ITSM module. There what type of modules are there? So that modules also, how can we create, like that. Okay, got it. Is there any doubts on this content of service now? Hello. Hello.
Hello everyone. If you have any doubts, you can. If you can't speak, you can message in chat box also.
Yeah.
Like
Mama.
anything related, courses related, the
Yeah,
codings
yeah. Actually,
related,
nowadays, like all the companies is moving to
career
this service.
opportunities related. You can ask whatever you have a doubts question. You can
Yes,
ask here.
yes. Now,
Okay.
all the opportunities are there in service now. Like we have only 40% developers only in our industry. Like industry needs 60% developers for the service development. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, there's echo from here.
Here,
Yeah.
Ram.
Yes. Tell me. Where are you from?
No, no, no. You can go to mute, Ram. Actually,
Okay, fine.
yeah. Okay, now.
Yeah, it's fine now, Subhash. Go ahead.
Yeah. So like that, now the industry will move to service now. Like all the BMC Remedy and Warmbird. Is there any other ticketing tools? Okay. Now the industry will move to service now. Like it is easy to handle, easy to use the user interface. Okay, like customer, if they want to buy something now, they will use it easily. Then only they will go to that side. Okay, like this here in this service now, user interface is easy to understand and easy to handle it. That's it. Okay.
Great. You're telling something about the administrator and developing part. Can't hear you there.
Yeah, administration is nothing but just we can like give the access what access users needs and also uh, they will give the access report access like any ticketing access like that. That is the only role access we have to give in roles to users. Here also we have like only we can give the role to users without like we can give directly you group. We can't give the role to user like that. These type of okay actions we can do in as a administrator, service now administrator. Okay, simply he will like do the access type of things and also like farm behavior type of things. Okay, and also like mm, only in functional device only as admin only he can do the functionality wise changes only. Okay, as a developer he will develop using like as a developer and admin both can using the functionality, but the developer role will be the some more extent like using script. All those things are there. For admin role we don't need such type of like so admin roles are there like 24 by 7 organizations are there now, so there like admin profile will be useful like that.
How much coding percentage is required in service now, Subhash?
Mm, I think like 30% enough. Why? Because
When do
70
we
to
exactly
80%.
use coding in service now?
Sorry.
When do we use coding exactly in service now?
Yeah, like that functionality is not available out of the box, not there on functionality. That time we will extend that functionality using this script.
If client is required any extra functionalities from the service now,
Yes,
then we
yes, yes,
use that. Okay.
yes.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. Is
In
there
our
any
next
doubt?
no, in our next classes, are we digging into the each and every topic, whatever you said right now?
Yeah, each and every
Like,
topic
are we
go
have
like
to come up with the any one of the topic that you are interested to say in how it is? Are we going to through each and every topic from the
yes,
tomorrow?
each and every topic. Then only we will get to like we have a like developer roles. Then only we can develop anything. Without that, we can't do anything. Without we can't miss anything on that content.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm working on a different domain and I'm currently looking to switch my career to service now.
Yeah, you can learn simply. You can learn that. Just you can like you have to put your experience. I have been worked on as a service developer. Then you can move simply. But for
That you
that
can
you need for that you need you need to gain that much of you have to put 3+ years of experience, then you have to learn that much of knowledge, and also you will get that much of knowledge, then only you will survive after getting the job.
Yeah.
Without learning you can't do anything now. Simply here these are the preparation, but we have how can we start our development in our classes like that?
Yes, sure, definitely. I'm very much eager to learn all these things. Actually, I don't have three years of experience currently. I had 2 years. By any chance, is there any calls for 2 years in service now with the experience of
Yeah,
2 years?
yes.
Yeah, is
No,
there any
if
openings for fresher?
pressure, I don't think so. In these tools now, so they didn't want to. So I don't say I don't want to it depends upon the organization. If they want they want to take their wish.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Now now they need now they need experienced persons. It depends if they want to
We lost you again, Subhash.
take freshers and they will. Is there any of hello? Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Your audio is not clearly.
Yes, now we can hear you. Good.
Now
Slight
now
better.
is it clear? Now is it clear?
Now it is okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it depends upon the organization. They want to do
Your audio is not audible.
yes. It was uh, internet. Is it okay?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
So too much
I think you have
detail. I will
internet issue.
explain how. Yes. Okay, we'll connect tomorrow for a deep dive session. Okay.
Sure, Subhash. Thank you for your.
Tomorrow at what time?
Yeah. Bye.
Is it on the same time? 8 o'clock, right?
Same time.
Sure.
8.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
Hello, Subhani.